Hi, welcome to Passions.
Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a review on the Crest White Strips Dental Whitening Kit. And today I have invited my niece to join me. She is a dentist and I have asked her to show me how to use and apply the strips. So this is my niece, Christine. Say hi.
Hi! There are many different ways to bleach our teeth. You can always start trying out over-the-counter products, like the Crest White Strips.
Like this one.
Yes.
So let's get started.
All right.
Okay.
The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Okay, so before you start using the strips, brush your teeth first. It will bleach better with clean teeth.
The instructions, it has 3 easy steps. So the first one is to peel. So once you pull it out of the packet, you will see this.
So this is for the top teeth and this is for your bottom teeth. So longer one for the top.
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up.
And how do I apply it?
So that line should go in your gum line there. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Open up, open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
the bottom one.
For the bottom one?
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
We are supposed to let this stay for how long?
30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is up. So let's see.
Open up. Need to reread our conversation.
How does it taste?
Better now that it's off. It does have like an annoying tingling taste.
The bottom looks
Cleaner to
Yeah.
me. FYI, this front 3 teeth is a crown. So, what did you say about the crowns again?
so when you're bleaching your teeth, the crowns don't bleach, don't lighten. So the natural teeth, it's more of the enamel that lightens. So with crowns and fillings, especially in your case with the crowns,
Yeah.
your options would be, if you want to really lighten them, is you bleach your natural teeth first into the shade that you'd like a lighter shade.
Okay.
And then after that, we can change
Change
your
the
crowns
crown
to
to-
match your bleached natural teeth.
See how yellow my teeth is compared to hers.
I've been bleaching to like touch-ups, so you can do touch-ups once a year.
Okay. So, hey, I think it did whiten. It looks
Look
nice.
at the bottom teeth.
Yeah.
You can see the
So
effect.
right away, this is the effect after 30 minutes. And I'll give you another review on another teeth whitening product sponsored by my niece, which is a dental, is it a professional dental whitening kit?
Yeah, so it's not over the counter, so it's Opalescence Go, and it's still you still use trays.
Okay.
You can
use
do it at home.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Okay, well, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to make a...
There are many different ways to
So I'm here now in my niece's home. I'll be doing this video with her today, and I just want to show you that winter came early this year.
Open up,